The future is here. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries. This revolution demands a new breed of leader. Leaders must now embrace a detail-oriented approach. This is crucial for success in the age of AI. Traditional leadership models are being challenged. No longer can leaders simply delegate AI implementation to technical teams. They must possess a deep understanding of its capabilities. This includes its limitations. Active involvement in AI operations is paramount. Leaders must be hands-on. They must grasp the intricacies of AI systems. Only then can they effectively guide their organizations. This new era requires a shift in perspective. Leaders must evolve to become architects of AI integration. They must shape its trajectory and ensure its ethical use. Detail-oriented leadership is not just about micromanaging algorithms. It is about understanding the nuances of AI. Leaders must be able to identify potential biases in data. They need to anticipate unintended consequences. This leadership style emphasizes a balance. Leaders must balance operational involvement with technological empowerment. They must guide the implementation of AI, but they must also empower their teams to innovate. Effective communication is key. Leaders must bridge the gap between technical teams and other departments. They need to translate complex AI concepts into understandable language. Detail-oriented leaders foster a culture of continuous learning. They encourage experimentation and knowledge sharing. This enables organizations to adapt to the ever-evolving AI landscape. Research confirms the importance of detail-oriented leadership in the age of AI. Studies highlight the need for leaders to possess both technical understanding and human-centered perspectives. Effective AI integration hinges on human oversight. Leaders must ensure that AI aligns with organizational values. They must also address ethical considerations. Real-world examples demonstrate the impact of this leadership style. Take, for instance, the healthcare industry. Detail-oriented leaders are crucial in implementing AI-powered diagnostic tools. In manufacturing, detail-oriented leaders are driving efficiency. They are using AI to optimize production processes. This leads to reduced waste and improved quality control. Section 4. Leading with precision examples across industries. Consider the world of AI startups. Leaders in this field need to be deeply involved in the development of their products. They must be able to identify and mitigate risks early on. In healthcare, a detail-oriented clinical director might oversee the implementation of an AI diagnostic tool. Their technical knowledge would be crucial in ensuring its accuracy. They would also need to address patient concerns. Manufacturing provides another compelling example. Imagine a production supervisor in a factory using AI-powered robots. A detail-oriented leader in this role would closely monitor the AI's performance. They would ensure it is functioning within safety parameters. They would also be able to troubleshoot any issues that arise. These examples highlight the importance of technical fluency. Leaders don't need to be engineers, but they must be able to engage in meaningful conversations with their technical teams. Section 5. Challenges and strategies for cultivating detail-oriented leadership. Transitioning to a detail-oriented leadership style is not without its challenges. Leaders may face resistance from employees accustomed to traditional hierarchies. Time constraints can also be a hurdle. Leaders may struggle to balance their operational involvement with their other responsibilities. This is where delegation and prioritization become critical. Organizations can foster detail-oriented leadership through targeted initiatives. Providing opportunities for technical training is essential. This empowers leaders with the knowledge they need. Mentorship programs can also be highly effective. Pairing experienced leaders with those who are new to AI can accelerate the learning process. In conclusion, detail-oriented leadership is not a choice but a necessity in the age of AI. By embracing this approach, organizations can harness the transformative power of AI while safeguarding against its potential pitfalls. Leaders who can bridge the gap between technology and human ingenuity will be the ones who shape the future.